Swears heaven is down a dirt road. Likes muscadine wine and wild horses. Loves Jesus and trucks.
This is Drift. Just bought him a couple weeks ago. He's AQHA Bay Roan. Got some really cool coloring. 17 hands. There's 14, so he's gonna take good care of me.
That I've ever known. Whiskey strong and a blue jeans break your heart if you can't keep up with them born to ride boots. Damn straight cowboy approved. She'll make you get off of that bar stool for 2 steps under that neon moon. She leans on that dusty old jukebox. A place called the Wild Chrysler Dude. Gotta tip my hat to her. She's country girl, cooler than any other woman that I've ever known. Whiskey strong and a blue jeans break your heart if you can't keep up with them born to ride boots. Damn straight cowboy approved. A little way out west, a little front porch swing sounds just perfect to me. I gotta tip my hat to her. She's country girl, cooler than any other woman that I've ever known. Whiskey strong and a blue jeans break your heart if you can't keep up with them born to ride boots. Damn straight cowboy